Hello, this is Joe Pearson. This is the request to the Planning Commission for a general plan conformity determination for the acquisition of rural property filed by Donay Routhier, Associate Traffic Engineer on behalf of the City of Oxnard. The City of Oxnard is considering the partial acquisition of unimproved rural property located at 3250 Saviers Road. The property to be acquired consists of a 127 square feet of a 0.19 acre parcel for the purposes of right-of-way. The City of Oxnard proposes to acquire the property for the development of new signal poles and space to reconstruct the access ramps that meet current ADA requirements. The project site is located in the southern area of the city and is currently developed with a shopping center. The project is generally surrounded by streets and commercial uses as shown on the slide. The general plan land use designation for the site is commercial general, and the zoning designation is general commercial, both of which allow for a variety of uses, including commercial, residential, retail, office, and apartment type uses. The Oxnard Saviers Traffic and Improvement Project is a capital improvement project to upgrade existing traffic signal standards and improve sidewalk facilities at various intersections. Specific work for this project includes removal of existing outdated equipment and placement of new traffic signal poles, new concrete pavement, and restoration of asphalt concrete pavement to prepare roadway for intersection improvements, curb, gutter, sidewalk, signing, striping, and all other pertinent and associated upgrades associated with the installation of the new traffic signals. Pursuant to Government Code Section 65402, the city is required to make a finding of general plan conformity and report that finding to the legislative authority prior to any acquisition, disposition, vacation, or abandonment of any real publicly owned property. Specifically, the Planning Commission is to determine as to whether the location, purpose, and extent of such proposed real property transaction is in conformance with the 2030 general plan. Consistent with the 2030 general plan policies 8.3, 8.5, and 8.9, the acquisition would allow for the Oxnard Saviers Traffic Signal Improvement Project, which is a capital improvement project to upgrade existing traffic signal standards and improve sidewalk facilities at intersections, improving the overall pedestrian network. As required by the California Environmental Quality Act, any subsequent improvements to the remainder of the properties would be examined separately in accordance with CEQA. Any required environmental documents would be prepared pursuant to CEQA as part of any project permit processing. This general plan conformity determination report is not a project under CEQA, as we can find that there's no possibility that it will have a significant effect on the environment. Therefore, staff recommends that the Planning Commission adopt the resolution finding that the proposed acquisition of real property located at 3250 Saviers Road is in conformance with the City of Oxnard 2030 General Plan policies pursuant to Section 65402 of the Government Code, and recommending that the City Council order the acquisition.